Hello and welcome to a new video from the Digital SAT with me, Mr. Gamal. In this video, we're going to answer question number 10 from the Digital SAT Official Test 1. And this question from the question stem that says, according to the text, what is true about mother? I can tell that this is one of the main ideas and details questions because it asks about specific details from the text. We're going to read and try to summarize. So the following text is adapted from Edith Nesbit's 1906 novel, The Railway Children. Mother did not spend all her time in paying dull visits to dull ladies and sitting dully at home waiting for dull ladies to pay visits to her. So I can tell that from the first sentence that she doesn't like to be visited or to visit any other ladies. She was almost always there, ready to play with the children and read to them and help them do their home lessons. Besides this, she used to write stories for them while they were at school and read them aloud after tea, and she always made up funny pieces of poetry for their birthdays and for other great occasions. And the question once more is, according to the text, what is true about mother? Okay, I'm gonna go to the answer choices. So answer choice A says she wishes that more ladies would visit her, and this is the opposite to what is written because she doesn't like to be visited or to visit any other ladies, so A is not correct. B, birthdays are her favorite special occasions. For sure, nothing in or the text doesn't mention that birthday parties or are her favorite occasion, but it says that she makes up funny poetry for them for their birthdays, but it doesn't mention that birthdays are her favorite occasions, so B is not correct. And she creates stories and poems for their children, for her children. For sure, this is correct because according to the text, she writes poetry and stories for them while being at school and for their special occasions, including birthdays. But we're gonna go through D. Reading to her children is her favorite activity. Nothing also in a text that mentions that her favorite activity is reading to children, but it mentions that she reads, but it doesn't mention that reading is her favorite activity. So C is the correct answer. And that's all for this lesson, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.